This is Quinny AI, your virtual CFO, built inside your accounting system. One question, and it gives you an answer, a reason, and a next step. So why are most businesses still waiting 2 weeks for last month's numbers? That's decision lag. And this is exactly what replaces it. No exports, no consultants, no waiting. All you do is type, compare this month versus last month P&L. January closed at a loss. February, a profit of $70,000. That swing tells you exactly where to focus next. Now go deeper. All you do is type, what is my biggest risk right now? Present in table view with key insights and actionable next steps. 3 risks surface immediately: collections, asset management, revenue, and right here, your priority action. Move on collections first. Quinny AI doesn't just read your data. It tells you what it means and what to do first. From reports to decisions instantly. Your data is already waiting. All you have to do is ask. Activate Quinny AI and make every month as clear.